Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money on Betway. First, log in to your Betway account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, look at the top of the screen and click on the My Account or Withdraw. Next, you will see the list of withdrawal methods. Choose the same method you use to deposit, such a bank transfer, mobile money, or e-wallet. This is very important because Betway usually sends money back using the same method. After selecting your payment method into the amount you want to withdraw, make sure the amount is within your available balance. Double check your payment details like your bank account or mobile number. Even check your everything. After that, click on withdraw or confirm. Once you submit your request, Betway will start processing your withdrawal. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.